Hello everyone, I am Sandesh Bardale.
Today, I will be talking about identifying hidden risks during sprint reviews. So, what is the sprint review? A sprint review is an end of sprint meeting in Agile where the team demos completed work to stakeholders. The product owner accepts or rejects features, feedback is collected for the next sprint. Simple meeting, but this is exactly where hidden risks quickly appear. So, what are the hidden risks? Hidden risks are the problems that exist in your project, but nobody talks about them. Like an iceberg, you see the top, but danger is below. A feature looks done in demo, but breaks on mobile. Password stored without encryption. API never tested on production. These are the hidden risks. So, why they matter? 80% of project failures come from risks caught too late. Fixing bugs for deployment costs 3 times more. One sprint delays can crash whole release. Miss the deadlines, budget overruns, unhappy clients, hidden risks don't shout. They whisper, and when you finally hear them, damage is already done. So what are the common hidden risks? Four common examples: login bugs in demo, fails on mobile, app runs fine for 5 users, crashes with 500 users. Password stored without encryption, never shown in demo. Payment API is tested locally, never on production server. Each one looks fine for the surface, but each one is ticking time bomb. So, what are the causes of this? Why do they happen? Fear of failure. No one wants to report bad news. Time pressure. Shortcuts taken to meet deadlines. Poor communication. Blockers never shared. Definition of done. Incomplete work gets accepted. Skip the testing. Cherry pick the demos. The biggest enemy silenced in the sprint review. So, how can they identify? 5 steps to catch them. Ask better questions, not just is it done, but what was skipped. Check test coverage, verify definition of done, create a safe space, no blame, just honesty, and use checklist. So nothing important is ever missed. So what are the tools and techniques used for use a risk register to track all risks? Planning, poker reveals estimation gaps, early retrospectives surface honest feedback. DoD checklist ensure real completion. Code reviews catch bugs before the demo, and at automated CI or CD testing runs on every single commit automatically. So let us see a real life example. A team demos a payment failure, works perfectly with test the data, product owner approves, but the real bank API was never tested. One QA engineer asks, was this tested on production? That one question saved the launch. They fixed it before going live. One question, that all it looks. So let us see a real life one short story. A startup called Quick Card, a food delivery app, Sprint 7, big demo day, developer Arjun shows the OTP login, phone number entered, OTP arrives, login success, everyone claps, ship it Friday, says the manager. But Arjun never mentioned he only tested Indian numbers, never international. Friday app goes live, Saturday morning 47 messages are angry. International users can't log in. App ratings drops from 4.2 to 2.8 stars in only one day. Entire weekend spent fixing, redeploying, and apologizing, all because no one asked Arjun, didn't you tested international numbers too? One question, one honest answer. That's all it takes to catch a hidden risk. So, what is the conclusion of this? To wrap up, sprint reviews are your best chance to catch what's hiding. Ask better questions, verify definition of done, be honest, detect early fix cheaply. A great sprint review doesn't just show what's done. It asks what are we missing. Thank you.